Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am doing a review slash a follow-up video on the survey site which is called YourView, and I'm also going to link the initial video I had done on the survey site in the description box. So what I'll be doing is basically show you how to redeem your YV points, and I'll also redeem for myself and just use it, and I'll just take you through the whole process. So the type of rewards that you can redeem your points for include airtime and gift cards, for which you can use at Woolies or Takealot, or you can withdraw as cash, for which you need to have at least 250 YV points. So today I will just be redeeming for my Takealot because I need to buy some things on Takealot, and I'll just take you through how that process works. And yeah, so I currently have 110 YV points. As a review, I would say that the only disadvantage of redeeming the points is that, let's say I have 190 YV points. I cannot request a 190 rewards card or voucher because it's only limited to 100 Rand, or it can be 200 Rand. So if you have a number in between the 100 and 200, you cannot withdraw it. You cannot request a voucher for that. I think for me that's the only disadvantage. But otherwise, I'm so happy so far. And I think another disadvantage is there's not a lot of surveys. I think per week you might get 1 or 2, but it's not a lot. But when it does, when it gets busy, you get a lot of surveys within a day or within a few days. So yeah, so let me redeem my 100 Rand, which is gonna be for Takealot. So what you do, you just request and you confirm. And then what they do is they will email you the voucher. And also with airtime, that's how it works, is that you request and then they email you the voucher code. Not really the voucher code, but like the number that you can use in order to recharge. So everything you get on email. So right, I'm gonna go into my email address and show you guys how everything looks, how everything ties up. And I'm gonna go to Takealot and use the voucher, and I'll show you as well. Okay guys, so here is the email address that they sent to your email, and they do give you the voucher number for which you can use on the Takealot. And then they also just put in this just in case you need more information on how to be able to use that code or that voucher number. And then now on the Takealot website, I've already added items onto my shopping cart. So now I need to proceed. So you just say proceed to check out. So I'm just gonna check out and just confirm if everything is captured correctly, my address and all of those nitty-gritty stuff, and then I'll continue and show you guys where you can actually redeem your voucher. Okay, so once you get to the checkout tab where you have to pay, you need to scroll down a bit before you actually make the payment. Just scroll down a bit and then you say add gift voucher or coupon code right here. So then what you can do is you can just copy and paste the voucher number or voucher code, and we're gonna paste it there, and then you apply. And then as you can see, the 100 Rand gift voucher was applied. So I actually had two voucher numbers, so I'm just gonna copy the other one which I had requested I think a few weeks back. Okay, here is my other voucher code, and then I'm gonna apply it the same way. I'm gonna paste it here and then say apply. Alright, so I have been credited with 200 Rands, as you can see here. the credit is 200 rand. So this was just to show you guys that the points that you get on YourView, you can actually use them in a way that will save you money. Whenever you need to buy, you can even use it at Woolworths, for example, if you want to buy something. And I think another good way is to actually accumulate the points till you have about 500 rands, depending on what you prefer, and then spending it when you need to spend it. So yeah, that's it for today. So I'm just going to continue with my order, and please do subscribe to the channel if you find it useful, and thank you very much.